is Team American.
Morning, respected panel of juries, honorable teachers, and my dear audience. Today, I'm standing here representing the Team Americans, and I stand opposing the proposition that books are better source of entertainment than television. How do you define entertainment? Entertainment is an action of providing or being provided with enjoyment or amusement. It is something which you can sit back and relax with the good things that fills your heart at most. To begin with, I'll raise my point on how television has been co-evolving with human beings. From Nipkow discs invented by Paul Nipkow in 1800s to OTT platform nowadays like Netflix and Disney Plus Hotstar. Television has constantly been adapting itself to the human demand. Today, television is not just a want, but the need of a human being. When we are watching a show, we are not just reading books, we are not just reading words on the pages. Instead, we are witnessing the story that unfolds before our eyes. The actors play characters in the life, and the exhilarating performance and the cinematography that transports us to the breathtaking landscape, which book fails to replicate. Apart from the sensory appeals, television provides us a wide range of countless genres, from gripping dramas and heartwarming comedies to thought-provoking documentaries and exhilarating reality shows. There is something for everyone so that the viewers can resonate with their interest, making television more versatile form of entertainment. Oh, how can I forget about shared community experience that it provides? It unites the nation. Think about the IPL 2024 match that we all witnessed sitting on our couch with our family. Think about the time a popular TV show aired its season finale. Social media buzzes with discussions and reasons. People come together to share their thoughts and views. This is something the reading book cannot replicate. Let's talk about convenience and accessibility, which is appreciated in today's era. Today, we can binge watch a show just by sitting and relaxing at our own pace. In this highly competitive world, let's not outlook the creativity which one should hold, and reality shows provides us with it. In conclusion, I'll just say, while we navigate the landscape of entertainment, we shall recognize the television and for the cultural narrative that it offers. Before I take my leave, I would like to drop you all with a question. Think of a construction laborer who comes to home after 10 hours of working. What probably he must be seeking? A book or his favorite television show? I'll take my leave, think about it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, and yes, Team Russians.
You talk- You talked about the 1920 achievement of our country. Back then, many people could not afford the television at their house, but they still were informed about the achievement of our nation by reading newspapers. So how would you take account of that? That by reading only, they got to know and connect themselves with the emotion the world that nations was flooding with.
My point is the book are not the mass media form of communication, whereas newspaper is, and we are talking about books. Secondly, when the peoples used to get informed about the matches or any of the news which is happening at any corner of the world, they are being getting informed nearly about 12 hours, not before that. And television provides us information instantly within 5 to 10 minutes or maybe less than that.
Any other question? Yes, Team Egyptian.
Well, when we read books, we are not very much affecting our eyes or our body or our head. But when we look into televisions, the amount or extent of harm that it is on us is way more than the harms that are from books.
For this, I would like to account for the least distance of distinct vision which is set for the books also, that is 25 centimeter, and same goes with television. It depends on you, your brightness and your screen time which is in your control. When we are being mindful of our activity, we cannot hold responsible or accountable for any of the shows or any of the media that is helping us in communicating with the person. It is our responsibility to use and foster its uses in a positive manner and be mindful of our activities rather than just nagging about the demerits of any of the media.
Thank you, Team Americans. The next speaker.
Good morning, honorable jury members, teachers, and all my fellow debaters. I am Ash Mishra, representing Australians on the against of the motion television are better, books are better entertainment for rather than televisions.